Hello, children. Today we will draw and learn English. Let's draw a princess. First, draw the eyes. Eyes, princess's eyes, right eye, left eye. Now draw the mouth, a smiling mouth, princess's mouth. She is happy. Next, draw the hair, princess's hair. Now draw the face, pretty face, princess's face. Draw the ears, right ear, left ear, princess's ears. Let's draw more hair, wavy hair, beautiful wavy hair. Now draw the crown, princess's crown. Crown, yes, a shiny crown. Princess's crown. Draw a heart inside. Heart, princess's heart. Now draw the body. Body, princess's body. Body, princess's body. This is our princess. Beautiful princess. Long hair. Beautiful hair. Draw the arms. Arms. Right arm. Left arm. Princess's arms. Now draw the dress. Dress. Big pretty dress. Princess's dress. Good job! Now it's coloring time. Skin color. Princess's skin. This is our princess. Beautiful princess. Orange hair. Princess's hair is orange. This is our princess. Beautiful princess. Pink dress. Princess's dress is pink. Well done, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and follow for more Draw and Learn English videos.